Susie the Phoenix. Thank you for watching my videos, and well done for achieving so far in HSK exams. I hope you like this writing series. In this video, I will explain a grammar point and the key vocabulary, mention common mistakes, and hopefully the color-coded translation and pinyin will be helpful for you. This is HSK 3 writing series, part 2. Please pause and try yourself, then come back to check the answers. Number 1. 难 difficult 太难了 so difficult or too difficult. 语法 is grammar. 法语 is French. 今天的语法课太难了. Today's grammar lesson is too difficult. 指 is third accent only. If the first accent is a natural word for usually animal. 第一 the first, so ordinal number. 第一、第二 first or second. 我只会做第一题. I only be able to do the first question. 看得懂 the structure. You should have a verb. This here, after the is usually a extra information about the verb or a result of this verb. 看 you looked, the result understood. Okay, you looked or read, then you got result understood. 我看得懂中国电影. I can understand Chinese films. 眼镜 glasses. 突然 suddenly. 不见了 is missing or can't see anymore. 我的眼镜突然不见了. My glasses has gone missing suddenly. 去过 过 after the verb is have done something. Okay, so like 吃过 have eaten, 去过 have been, 看过 have seen, so verb and 过. In this one, it can have two answers. Both are correct. 我已经去过2次中国了. 我已经去过中国2次了. I've already been to China twice. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. This is a question 6 to 10. You can pause the video, you want to try first, then come back to check the answers. 半天 literally means half a day, but here is impression as for a while, seems a long time. 没看懂 so negative is 看得懂 so didn't understand. 我看了半天也没看懂. I looked for a while but still didn't understand. 认识 as to know or to recognize. Here is met. 刚 is just, go before a verb, just done something, just finished an action. 不久 not long. 我们也刚认识不久. We've just met as well, so we haven't met for long. We haven't got to know each other for long. 用 to use. 每天都 is here give emphasis on the time. 每天都 every single day. 几乎 almost. 我现在几乎每天都用电脑. I'm using computer almost every day now. 重要 important. 是最重要的 is the most important. The most important is that you like it. 越 and 越 structure is the more and more. So use the first verb, go after the first 越. Then the second 越 is have adjective or extra information about the verb. There's the more and the more structure. 这本书越看越有意思. The more I read, the more interesting it got. This is the end of part 2. Please subscribe so you can check out all the other videos I've made and don't miss any future episodes. And please leave me a nice comment and it will be much appreciated. 谢谢，再见。